así está quedando. That's the way it's gonna be. Right there. How do you guys like it? I hope you like it. Hey, you are all the way here in this video. Stay all the way to the end. Let's see the next step I'm gonna do with this steak. It's gonna be so good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. And more videos are gonna come. Now I'm gonna put some salsa, which is my own recipe. This is hot chili habanero salsa that I make. It's pure chili paste. It's not tomatoes, nothing. It has onions, garlics, and bay leaves, herbs, and no tomatoes. So this is what is gonna be in here right now. Here we go, guys. This is the seasoning. Hot, pure paste. This is so delicious. This is about to be ready. Ooh. Steak and onions. That's how they call it. It's ready. I'm gonna start dipping in it. I got some corn tortillas. I got some 2 tortillas. I'm gonna cover one more time for about 2 more minutes and I will stop eating because I am very hungry. I know you guys gonna like it. This is delicious. This This is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna bring it to the table. And here we are. Tortilla is gonna be right there. And this is how it is, guys. Well, I gonna have a lunch right now and probably dinner too. So this is it. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.